We're in the beautiful heart of Soho and we're going to be making the Adonis cocktail. This cocktail goes back to the olden days when they used sherry as a base rather than spirits. We're going to be using this fabulous Oloroso from Bodega Argueso. It's going to give you that nuttiness and the savoury edge. Then we're using Cartron Rouge, it's a brand new vermouth from them. It's from the heart of Burgundy, using some Pinot Noir, going to give you that slight tannic structure and some bittersweet tones. And then we're going to round off the drink with some Reagan's orange bitters. So we're going to use 2 parts of the Oloroso to this shaker tin. 1 part of the Cartron. And then 2 dashes of Reagan's orange bitters. Then add ice. And then we're going to stir this. Stirring gives you that beautiful dilution, but it doesn't add the texture that shaking does. We're going to want this cocktail to be really smooth, ice cold, but it doesn't have the froth shaking of the cocktail does. We're going to stir it down until we start to see the froth form on the tin, and then we know we're nearly there. That looks about done. And then we're going to pour it into this beautiful Nicanora glass, one of my favourite types of glasses. It just really works well with this drink. That beautiful colour. And then to finish off the drink, the lively orange zest. Beautiful, the Adonis.